Hi, we're Website Casa, and we build affordable websites in about 10 business days. We also do short videos to answer questions and show you how to do things that you may be having trouble with. And other than this short intro, we get right to the point. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how to convert a personal PayPal account into a business PayPal account. It's important that I show you this because, as I said, you can only add a donate button to a business account. Now, I'm here to show you the process. I'm not here to discuss the impact or implications, if any, of converting a personal PayPal account into a business PayPal account. Step 1, go to the top right and click on the gear icon. Scroll down to where it says upgrade to a business account. You'll be given two options. Do you want to create a new email and password, or do you want to use your current email and password? Please read the options carefully before making a selection. Click Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked for your business name and address. Enter the details. Please read the policy and user agreement, then click Agree and Upgrade Account. The next screen will ask you a series of questions about your business. This information can be taken directly from your business plan. There's a link in the description to a business plan template. Next, you'll need to provide your personal details, including your social security number and address. Click Submit. You now have a PayPal business account. There'll be a few more screens to complete if you want to manage limits and some other information. The other screens are optional, but well worth reviewing. Now, let's start building your donate button. Log into your account and go to Tools, All Tools. When you go to the All Tools page, you'll scroll down until you see the icon for PayPal buttons. Put a heart next to it. Once you put a heart next to it, you'll be able to go to Tools, PayPal buttons, and you'll see all the options for the different types of PayPal buttons that you can create. Today, we'll generate a donate button. So click on Donate. I do want to point out that this video is going to show you the process. We're not going to discuss the specifics of your business, charity, or personal business. The next screen will give you the option to choose how to display your organization's name or logo. Place your company's logo URL in this box. It will then show in the logo preview screen. Further down, it will ask you for the organization name, which will be pre-completed. You can put the purpose of the button, but that is optional. Then you let your donors choose the specific program for their donation. For more information about that, hover over the question mark. If you want to list the programs, you just click Yes and type the program name. Note, this button is intended for fundraising. If you're not raising money for a cause, please choose another button. Then click Continue. The next screen will ask you to set the donation amounts. You'll enter the donation amounts in whatever currency reflects the country you're in. You can give donors the option of any amount, an exact amount, or set 3 payment options. You can make the donation a monthly recurring donation, or you can make it a one-time donation. Then click Continue. The next screen will give you the option of setting what information you need from your donors. So by opening up this menu, you can receive the donor's mailing address or not. You can let the donors send an optional note or not. The next menu item will determine what happens after the donation is made. Do you want to take them to a specific page on your website? The next menu item will set the account identifier. It is recommended that you use a merchant ID. Instructions on that are on the screen. For now, we'll go with use an email address. And finally, you can add extra HTML to the buttons. This is a little bit more advanced, so I will skip that. Now you can click Finish and Get Code. The next page is something that I get asked about quite often. If you'd like to paste the code into your website that it appears the way that it did in the preview, you'll use the button HTML. If you'd like to send it as a link, then you click Shareable Link. You can also use the shareable link to paste into your website to use a pre-designed button. Finally, you have the option of generating a QR code. You have now generated the code for a donate button for your website. You have three options of how to use the code, either as HTML, a shareable link, or a QR code. If we're building a website for you, usually we'll ask you for the shareable link. So copy this information either by clicking Ctrl+C, or you can click Copy to Clipboard. You can edit this button, you can duplicate this button, or you can look at other saved buttons. This is a quick overview of how to generate a donate button in PayPal. I've made this video to support anyone who had questions on how to make a donate button. I have tried to stick to the process as opposed to the specifics of your individual business. I hope it's been helpful, and we appreciate your feedback. You can always suggest future tutorials by contacting us on 832-541-2161 or visiting astorbusinesscenters.com.